Hey, what's up, y'all? So I apologize for the shitty quality of this video. I'm gonna try to get something else to, improve the quality. But I wanted to talk about the affirmative action decision that's about to come down from the Supreme Court in the next day or week, whatever. It'll come down soon. And like from every article I'm reading, it's looking like they're going to say that affirmative action in public universities is not allowed. Um, I know this is a complex issue, and I actually know that the majority of people are against affirmative action. So it's like I hate arguing against the majority, but when you're protecting the rights of a minority, that's what you're supposed to do. We're not supposed to just crush minorities because it's popular. Now, if you look at what's happened since affirmative action, the results are mixed. You have, of course, many, many, many more African Americans attending college, many, many more African Americans graduating, and you have a higher percentage graduating. So I would say all of those things are good. Then you have a couple bad things. It the the raw number of African American dropouts is obviously way up with all of those things, and the number receiving, pretty sure the number receiving the higher tier degrees, masters, doctorates, is down a bit. Don't quote me on that last one, I'm not sure, but I actually know that the facts aren't completely one-sided here. But I am very much a proponent of affirmative action, and I know you jack off conservatives out there and be like, "Yeah, you're a product of affirmative action." Actually, not. I had a monstrous high school resume, and I got a 1420 out of 1600 on the SATs. I could have gone to any school I wanted to. Period. But I'm a proponent of affirmative action because they're it's certainly not like blacks are overrepresented in college. They are not. They are still massively underrepresented. One. Two, the reason that the affirmative action laws were put into place, those reasons are still as true as they were back then. Blacks have had a history of being subjugated and discriminated against. That leads to lower quality education in general and worse results on things like tests and the ACT and SAT, which are culturally biased. The people that write the tests are often not black, right? They are. We all know these things, and so to not even consider the black kid that got 10 points lower on the SAT and went to a shitty school over an Asian American or white American student that got 10 points higher on the SAT and went to an amazing school. That's basically what affirmative action is doing. It's not saying this person that got 400 points lower on the SAT gets in over this person that got a 1600. 1600 is not perfect, over a 2400, right? It's not saying that, so I really wish people would look at the laws. Secondly, if you're saying that everyone should be treated equally, then we're going to go back towards a society like the one we were trying to fix, right? Because shit is not equal. So if you just pretend like it is and treat everyone equally, you end up promoting inequality. There was one more thing I wanted to say about it. Here it is. So to the reverse racism thing. I mean, it's just, spare me that argument. I'm completely baffled by that argument. There's literally not a chance. It's a 0% chance that black people ever subjugate white Americans in the way that black people were subjugated. It's impossible. It's beyond the realm of imagination. And therefore, what you're saying just simply can't hold. It simply can't hold. Or like, so I just wanted to get that out there. I think it's a bad thing. in general for the Supreme Court to make this decision that affirmative action is not working. I think it will be horrible and lend a lot of credence to many conservative arguments if they say that affirmative action itself violates the Equal Protection Act. So I'm curious to see if that's what they say. Um, I it's promoting and like a way of propping up the Equal Protection Act. So I really hate that argument. But I assume you'll be hearing it. So, anyways, peace out, y'all.